In the burlesque bazaar of bot buffoonery, where EAs espouse empires but engender embarrassments, I've been the sardonic steward of the gold hunt EAV 1.2 MT4 on my Lite Finance ledger for months. And egad, it's harvested plus 146.01% gains with the gravitas of a gold-digging gadabout. A Telegram gadfly even gushed it's the EA that strikes pay dirt while you doze. And after its whimsical wayfaring through whimsies, I'm bound to burlesque this bounty. Behold my review of this roguish reaper of riches. Ah, the zip folder for the Gold Hunt EA v1.2. MT4 disgorges with baronial brevity. A prompt right-click and extract. Here unveils the EX4 file, set file, and a manual as meager as a miser's missive. I dispatch the EX4 to MT4's experts enclave, refreshed with relish, harnessed the Gold Hunt EAV 1.2 MT4 to XAUUSD's M5 merry-go-round, hailed the set file, and it commenced conjuring trades post-haste. No whimsy, no wayward DLLs, just the jauntiness of Jiffy. Survey my effects book, as one might a scandalous scroll, and lo, the Gold Hunt EAV 1.2. MT4 flaunts its plus 146.01% gain gambit on Lite Finance since November 2022, swelling $7,903 deposits, minus $388 pilfered for provisions like portents, into $8,251 balance with $8,736 profit. Daily 0.35% drollery, monthly 11.19% mirth, equity curve a satirical surge sneering at the slumps of salary serfs, profitability at 85%, whence 278 of 328 trades triumphant, 193 longs, 85 shorts in this farcical folio. Average wins 6,260 pips, shacks down $62.55. Losses lampoon to minus 3,000. 661 pips, minus $36.67 by the Gold Hunt. EAV 1.2 MT4's rye stops and trailing that trims tribulations like a tailor's tweak. Profit factor 4.84. A puckish premium, proffering $4.84 per dollar dispersed. Expectancy 3,675 pips, $36.71 per trade. Sharp 0.44 for serene sallies that scoff at Sigma. Z score 99.99%. Scorning stochastic shenanigans. Drawdown 24.32% max relative. Absolute 0.35%. Risk of ruin 0.1%. It capered through September 25's jest under 10% jeopardy. Net pips 374,791 or 328 japes. Commissions kneel on my bourse. Holds averaging 13 days for M5 merriment. This year's review? Up 137%. Forecast a frugal $40,000 fief by decade's end. After years as manual trading's mummer, the Gold Hunt EAV 1.2 MT4s like a mocking minion hedging the hoax, alchemizing anarchy to avarice's anthem. All right, let's go to the backtesting part with a curtsy. The Gold Hunt EAV 1.2 MT4 on 606,000 ticks from October 2025 sired $82 net on $1,000 start, 54% win rate, drawdown 42% relative, profit factor 1.2, a dress rehearsal rivaling live's lugubrious levity. Thus tolls the toxin on the Gold Hunt EA version 1.2 MT4. A facetious fount of fortune after the endless encore. Acquire this audacious artifact from our website. The description doth delineate and deliver directly. Beseech our Telegram cabal for codas and confabs too. Link below. Trade with a tilt.